I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. You wanna slip and slide, we can link up.
So we're jumping straight into the video. So I'm starting off with the brows. I'm just putting some translucent powder on my brows, and then I'm brushing my brow hairs up with a spoolie. Now taking a black, yes I said black, coat pencil, and I'm just outlining my brow underneath the bottom and the top. Make sure that your brow pencil is really sharp. You don't have to use black, but this is what I opt for. Alright, so now I'm going in with the center and wherever that's sparse, and I'm just filling that in with a brown pencil. Alright, so yeah, so just take your time to do this, and then I'm going to brush it out because we don't want no harsh brows. So now I cleaned it up off camera, and I'm just spacing my eyelids with the same concealer. Alright, didn't use any P. Louise this time. Now taking my contour powder, bronzing powder, and I am just putting that in my crease. I'm just working it in the crease just for transition. Alright, so yeah, and this is a fluffy blending brush. So now going with my P. Louise base in white. So this is rumor number 0, and I'm creating cat eye. Yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm creating a cat eye. So I wanted it to be white. Listen, I never know what I want to do, so I'm just winging it right here. All right, so yeah, creating my shape. You can take your time doing this. I'm using a small concealer brush instead of a big one because I want it to be really precise. All right, so yeah. So now I'm just patting it out, making sure the excess is well blended into my skin. Alright, now I'm going to be taking a Moon Glow Cosmetics white loose powder yeah, eyeshadow. Oh my god, why couldn't I get the word out? So I'm just using a this is a flat brush, but it's a little bit fluffy. It's not like dense. All right, and I'm just putting this all over. All right, because we want to take away all the tackiness of the concealers, because we just want it to be white. Now I'm taking a brown gel liner, and I'm just creating a wing. Then I look, if your baby girl don't put a wing in it. You know this. So you can create the wing as thick as you want it or as thin as you want it. All right, so now I'm just using some different size pearls and rhinestones to go on the line where we created that crease thing, that cutting where we cut. So yeah, this is all I'm doing right here. But usually I do my face portion off camera, so I'm just lining my waterline with the P. Louise base, and then I go on my lower lash line with that eyeshadow. Oh, I did my lashes in brown. I just painted it brown, and then I used that same eyeshadow to mattify it. All right, so this is the finished look. You know, I could pass this off as Rudolph. You know, I could like put those spots, so like a reindeer, and then, you know, color my nose red. Listen, Halloween's coming up, Christmas is coming up. So this is the end of the look. Thank you guys so much for staying through to the end. I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials. Until next time, bye beauties.